Here are 8 things prohibited in the Oba of Benin's palace. The Oba of Benin Palace is the highlight of vacationers' rendezvous in the ancient kingdom of Benin. Since its existence in 900 AD, the palace has continued to stand graciously, surmounting battles and wars. The monumental palace harbors architectural marvels, braces, antiquities, and artifacts, signifying its historical preeminence. In 1999, UNESCO listed the Oba's Palace and Igueron quarters as cultural heritage sites. Indeed, it tops the destination checklist of Edo eminent tourists. The kingdom is presently ruled by His Royal Majesty Omonoba Nedo Uko-Akpolokpolo Oba Eware II. These are some of the list of the forbidden things. Black attire. Black clothes are forbidden in the palace as it connotes mourning. The Oba must not set eye on a black cloth because it does not mourn. It is a taboo. Whistle blowing. In most cultures, blowing of whistle is believed to rouse the spirit of the dead. People of Benin are no exception, as they believe blowing whistle in the palace may summon any of the thousands of deities in the palace. This can spell doom for the whistle blower as well as people around. Finger pointing. Pointing of finger is an act which typifies deep spiritual meaning. Therefore, it is forbidden for anyone to point fingers at the Oba or his chiefs. The Oba himself only points fingers at people in a bid to proclaim blessings on them or otherwise. Anyone found guilty will be arrested by the Ifieweru, the spiritual guide who weighs off spiritual attacks against the Oba. The offender is then asked to take an oath and confess his intention from pointing at the Oba. Dogs. Dogs do not stray into the Benin Palace. Any trespassing camel either dies naturally or is killed. This is so because dogs were substituted for human sacrifice after the abolishment of the latter in the pre-colonial era. Buddha Shrine. According to Benin history, the powerful Oba Buddha was born a hermaphrodite, which doctors were summoned to remove the female organ on little Oba Buddha. Afterwards, he was paraded naked to assuage villagers' concerns that the heir to the throne was indeed male. The Buddha shrine is believed to harbor his spirit, thus any female who enters the shrine will become infertile. Palm oil fruits. Just like blood, palm kernel is usually red in color. Palm kernels in or around the palace is considered as a bad omen, as it means that the land will take blood and usually someone will have to die. Even vehicles loaded with palm oil fruit are prohibited from plying streets surrounding the palace. Any visitor flouts the law, an animal is sacrificed to avert death. Royal women quarters. The royal harem houses, the queens of the Oba, male visitors and relatives alike, are prohibited from entering the quarters or extending their hands to his inhabitant in form of greeting. Open umbrella in festivals. During festivities in Benin, nobody is allowed to cover his or her head with an umbrella, irrespective of the weather condition. Only the Oba is afforded such luxury. Thank you, brothers and sisters. Please subscribe to my channel. I am Edoni Mose to the World TV. Thank you.